Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create realistic grass texture in Adobe Illustrator. Use pen tool to draw a grass. Use gradient panel Ctrl F9. Double click on right side gradient slider. Give dark green color R0, G104, B56. Give light green color R141, G198, B63 for left gradient slider. Angle 90 degree. Click on reverse gradient. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. Select shape and rotate. Make it small shape. Again copy and paste in front. Reduce to small shape. Again copy and paste in front. Use direct selection tool shortcut A to adjust shape. Select shape and adjust gradient for gradient panel Ctrl F9. Group Ctrl G. Select shape and Alt key and drag for duplicate shape. Again Alt key and drag for duplicate shape. Select shape and right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. Use Alt key and drag for duplicate shapes. Select shapes and arrange and bring to front. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Finally, your realistic vector lawn grass texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create vector texture background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.